Hello student, now we will start the new chapter, Mathematical Logic. In this video, I will explain the exercise 1.1 and all the solved example before exercise 1.1. But before that, in this Mathematical Logic chapter, what we are learning? A statement and its a truth value, logical connective, compound statement, truth tables, negation of a statement and compound statement, statement pattern, logical equivalence, tautology, contradiction, and the contingency. Quantifiers and quantified statement, duality. Application of logic to switching circuits, switching tables. Okay, now let us start. Introduction. Mathematics is a logical subject and tries to be exact. For exactness, it requires proof, which depends upon proper reasoning. Okay. Reasoning requires logic. The word logic is derived from the Greek word logos, which means a reason, and therefore logic deals with the method of reasoning. In ancient Greece, the great philosopher and thinker Aristotle started study of logic systematically. In mathematics, logic has been developed by English philosopher and mathematician George Woolley. Okay. Language is the medium of communication of our thoughts. For communication, we use sentences. In logic, we use the statements, which are special sentences. Now, what is meant by the statement? A statement is a declarative, assertive sentence, which is either true or false. एकतर ते बरोबर असेल किंवा चुकीचं असेल, but not both simultaneously. The statements are denoted by the small letters P, Q, R, S, etc. Okay. Now the truth value of a statement. Each statement is either true or the false. या दोघांपैकी एक असणार आहे. If a statement is a true, then its truth value is a capital T. And if the statement is a false, then its truth value is a capital F. Now we'll go the some examples. Following sentences are the statements. Sun rises in the east. 5 into 2, 11. Every triangle has 3 sides. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Every equilateral triangle is an equiangular triangle. A natural number is an integer. All these are the statement, whether they may be the true or the false. Okay. यांना काय म्हटलं जातं तर स्टेटमेंट म्हटलं जातं. ते चूक किंवा बरोबर असू शकतं. Okay. Now the following sentences are not statement. Please give your pen. What is your name? What a beautiful place it is. How are you? Do you like to play tennis? Open the window. Let us go for tea. Sit down. Now these are the, note that the interrogative, exclamatory, command, order, request, suggestion are not the statement. Okay. Now the next. Consider the following. 3x upon 2 minus 9, and that's equals to 0. For x is equals to 0, it is a true. But for other than x, it is not true. He is a tall. Here we cannot determine the truth value. What is the actual definition of the tall? Okay. And it is different for the different person. प्रत्येक व्यक्ती परत्वे ते वेगवेगळं असू शकतं. And hence, we cannot determine its truth value. Mathematics is an interesting subject. Again, the truth value varies from person to person. म्हणून प्रत्येकाला मॅथमॅटिक्स आवडेलच असं काही नाही. Therefore, this is again not the statement. It's a black in color. The truth value varies from again person to person. Now let us analyze these statements. In all the above sentences, the truth value depends upon the situation. Such sentences are called as open sentences. Open sentences is not a statement. Okay. त्यावेळेसची ती सिच्युएशन असेल त्यावेळेस त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू डिपेंड असते. ओपन सेंटेन्स is not a statement. Now we'll see this some short example. Question number 1. Which of the following sentences are the statement in logic? Write down the truth values of the statement. 6 into 4. Yes, that's equals to 25. Now the solution. It is a statement which is the false. And the 6 into 4. That is a 24. A false. And hence its truth value is f. X plus 6 is equals to 9. It's an open sentence. X ची व्हॅल्यू तिथे particularly दिली नाही आपल्याला. And therefore it is an open sentence and hence it is not a statement. What are you doing? त्याने प्रश्नार्थक केलाय. It is an interrogative and hence it is not a statement. The quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 has two real roots. Yes. हे बरोबर आहे. त्याला दोन रिअल रूट्स असणार आहेत. It is a statement which is a true and hence its a truth value is a capital T. Please sit down. It's a request. It is a request and hence it is not a statement. The moon revolves around the earth. It is a statement. हे बरोबर आहे. Which is a true and hence its a truth value is capital T. Every real number is a complex number. It is a statement which is the true and hence its a truth value is capital T. He is honest. It's an open sentence. कोणाला तो honest वाटेल, कोणाला it's a different for the person to person. प्रत्येक व्यक्ती परत ते वेगवेगळं असू शकेल and hence it is an open sentence, hence it is not a statement. The square of a prime number is a prime number. Okay. Now again it is a statement which is the false. Okay. प्रत्येकदा प्राईम नंबरच असेल असं काही नाही. 3 चा स्क्वेअर, 3 is a prime number. It's a square, it's a 9, but 9 is not the prime number. And hence its a truth value is f. Next, we'll see the logical connective, simple and the compound statement. Okay. The words or the phrases. The words or phrases which are used to connect two statements are called logical connectives. Okay. We will study the connectives and, or, if then, if and only if, not. हे connectives आपण बघणार आहोत. Now the first, simple and compound statement. A statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called a simple statement. If a statement is the combination of two or more simple statements, then it is called a compound statement. Okay. Now see the example. 3 is a prime number and 4 is an even number is a compound statement. 3 and 5 are twin primes is a simple statement. Okay. We describe some connectives. Now first connective. कुठला आहे ते पहिलं connective? Conjunction. If the two statements are combined using the connective and, then it is called as a conjunction. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P and Q is called as a conjunction. It is denoted by P and Q and it is read as P conjunction Q or P and Q. The conjunction P and Q is said to be true if and only if both are true. जर दोन्ही बरोबर, दोन्ही true असतील तरच true, otherwise false. Now see this the truth table. Truth table. आता इथे P आणि P साठी प्रत्येकदा कसं घेणार की 2 वेळा T आणि 2 वेळा F. 2 raised to 2. दोन स्टेटमेंट आहेत. 2 raised to 2 means what? It's a 4. मग P साठी double T, double F. Q साठी TF, TF या प्रकारे. हा फिक्स टेबल आहे. हा तुम्हाला लक्षातच ठेवायचा आहे. Now this is the fixed table, you have to remember it. Now in a conjunction, when both are true, then it is true, otherwise false. हे तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचं. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is again F. F and F is again F. Okay, and this is the table for conjunction. हा तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. Now the next. Disjunction. If the two statements are combined by using the logical connective or, then it is called as a disjunction. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P or Q is called disjunction. It is denoted by P or Q and it is read as P or Q or P disjunction Q. आता यामध्ये काय की पुन्हा P आणि Q इथे पुन्हा तेच आधीच्या टेबल सारखे 2 वेळा T आणि 2 वेळा F. Q म्हणजे काय तर TF TF TF. आता हे लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी काय दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी बरोबर T पाहिजे, then it is a tree. दोघांपैकी T or T, yes T. T or F, again T. F or T is again T. F or F, then it is a F. म्हणून लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी काय की दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी ट्रू पाहिजे, otherwise false हे लक्षात ठेवता येईल. म्हणून disjunction, the disjunction P or Q is a false if and only if both P and Q are false. दोन्ही false असतील तरच ते false असतं, otherwise it is a true. Now the next, conditional implication. If the two statements are combined by using connective, if then it is called as a conditional or implication. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then if P then Q is called as a conditional. It is denoted by P implies Q, or it is like this, P implies Q. And it is read as P implies Q or if P then Q. Okay. Now the table. आता या ठिकाणी पुन्हा P साठी डबल T, डबल F, Q साठी डबल TF, TF या प्रकारे. हा कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंटचा टेबल जर लक्षात ठेवायचा असेल तर त्यासाठी एक when both are same then it is true. TT then it is T. FF then it is true. म्हणून काय की फर्स्ट रोला आणि लास्ट रोला P आणि Q दोन्ही कसे तर त्यांच्या ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू सेम आहेत, then it is a true. Otherwise what implies T implies F and hence it is F. F implies T and hence it is a T. Okay. In this way you can remember. तुम्ही या प्रकारे ते लक्षात ठेवू शकता. कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट मध्ये पुन्हा एकदा मी रिपीट करणार, जर दोन्ही सेम असतील त्यांच्या ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज then it is a true. दोन्ही सेम then it is true. Otherwise what implies T implies F and hence it is F. F implies T then it is a T in this way. Now note the following are also conditional statement. P implies Q. P is a sufficient for Q. Q is a necessary for P. P implies Q. Q follows from P. P only if Q. Yeah. Okay. Now the biconditional means what? Double implication. If the two statements are combined using the logical connective if and only if, then it is called biconditional. In other words, if P, Q are two statements, then P if and only if Q is called biconditional. It is denoted by P double implication Q or P double implication Q, and it is read as P biconditional Q or P if and only if Q in this way. Okay, now we'll see the truth table for this. याचा truth table बघा. Okay, P आणि Q double T double F हे सारखंच. आता पुन्हा या ठिकाणी की if both are the same then it is true. आता T T T F F again T. If both are the different then it is F. जर दोन्ही वेगवेगळे असतील तर F घ्या. T F F F T again F या प्रकारे लक्षात ठेवता येईल. If both are the same then it is a true. Otherwise it is a false. दोन्ही different असतील तर. Negation of a statement. For any given statement P, there is another statement which is defined to be true when P is a false, and false when it is a true is called negation of P, and it is denoted by negation of P. हे कुठली स्टेटमेंट घ्या त्याचं निगेशन म्हणजे काय, जर समजा ती ट्रू असेल आणि त्याचं निगेशन काय तर इट इज अ फॉल्स, आणि ती फॉल्स असेल मग त्याचं निगेशन काय तर ट्रू. फॉर एक्झाम्पल कुठल्याही स्टेटमेंटला दोन ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज असतात. टी घेतली आपण त्याला टी आणि एफ, मग टीचं निगेशन काय तर फॉल्स आणि फॉल्सचं निगेशन टी इन दिस वे. दिस इज द ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर द negation. Okay, note that the negation of a statement negation of a statement is a statement itself. Yes, it's clear. याचं निगेशन घेतलं आणि पुन्हा त्याचं निगेशन घेतलं. टीचं निगेशन F आणि पुन्हा Fचं निगेशन T. We get the original statement and hence negation of a negation that is equals to P. I will see the short examples. First example, express the following compound statement symbolically without examining the truth values. त्याच्या truth values आपल्याला बघायचे. We want to express them in symbol. 2 is even number and 25 is a perfect square. No problem. मग P ला आपण कन्सिडर करणार. P 2 is an even number. Q म्हणजे काय? 25 is a perfect square. इथे and आलाय बघा. Therefore the symbolically it's a P and Q. दोघांमध्ये and आहे म्हणून इथे कंजंक्शनचं साइन येणार. पहिल्या स्टेटमेंटला P, दुसऱ्या स्टेटमेंटला Q and hence symbolically it's a P and Q. A school is open or there is a holiday. First काय? P, the school is open. Q, there is a holiday. Symbolically काय? The symbolical form is P or Q. Okay. Delhi is in India, but Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. Okay. But आला बघा. ज्या वेळेस but असेल ते देखील आपण and साठी कन्सिडर करतो. मग दिल्ली P, the Delhi is in India. Q, Dhaka is in Sri Lanka. Okay. पण आपण इथे काय दिलं त्याने? Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. मग आपल्याला त्याला निगेशन ऑफ Q करावं लागणार. आणि दोघांमध्ये बट साइन आहे. बट अक्षर वर घेतलेला. Therefore it is a conjunction. The first is a P and negation of Q. आपण काय कन्सिडर केलंय P? Delhi is in India. No problem. Q, Dhaka is in Sri Lanka. But we have given that it is not in Sri Lanka. Therefore it is a negation of Q. In this way, the symbolical form is a P and negation Q. Next, 3 plus 8 is a greater than or equal to 12. If and only if 5 into 4 is a less than or equals to 25. आता P ला काय करणार तर पहिला कन्सिडर P is a 3 plus 8 is a greater than or equal to 12. आणि Q म्हणजे काय? की 5 into 4 less than or equals to 25. If and only if means what? Double implication. And therefore the symbolic form is the double implication Q. Now the question number 2. Write the truth values of the following statements. 3 is a prime number and 4 is a rational number. Okay. 3 is a prime number. Yes, it's a correct one. And next, 4 is a rational number. It's also true. The truth values of P and Q are T and T respectively. The given statement is a symbolically P and Q. Now T and T, again it is a true. Both are true, then it is a true. The truth value of the given statement is a true. The दोन्ही true असतील आणि and असेल, then it is a true. Okay. Next, all flowers are red or all cows are black. Now P, all flowers are red. Q, all cows are black. The truth values of P and Q are F and F respectively. सगळेच फ्लावर्स काय रेड असतात का? तर नाही. All cows are black असतात का? तर नाही. Therefore, the truth values of both the statements is a false. And therefore, आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये काय तर or आहे. The given statement is a symbolical form. Given statement in the symbolical form is P or Q. And therefore, P or Q is equivalent to F or F. And it is F. The truth value of the given statement is F. Okay. Now the next. If Mumbai is in Maharashtra, then Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. If the Mumbai is in Maharashtra, then Delhi is the capital of India. Mumbai is first P, the Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Q, Delhi is capital of India. The truth values of P and Q are T and T respectively. मुंबई हे महाराष्ट्रात आहे. दिल्ली इज द कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. दोघांच्या ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज कशा तर T and T. The given statement is in symbolic form is a P implies Q. That is a P double implication Q is equivalent to T implies T. And both are true in implication, then it is a true. Therefore, the truth value of the given statement is T. Okay. Next, milk is white if and only if sun rises in the west. Okay. Milk is white. Okay. First is a P, the milk is white. Q, sun rises in the west. Truth values of P and Q are T and F respectively. The given statement in the symbolical form is P double implication Q. Therefore, the P double implication Q is equivalent to P is T. Okay, P is a T and the Q is F. Therefore, their double implication is F. Okay, because both are the different. The truth values of the given statement is F. Now, next example. Next question number 3. If a statement P, Q are true, R, S are false, determine the truth values of the following. Solution. Negation of P and in bracket Q or negation of R is equivalent to the value of P and Q is a T. Therefore, we will substitute P and Q as the T and the R is F. Okay. Negation of T and in bracket T or negation of F. Negation of T is F and in bracket T. Okay. Negation of F is again T. F and negation of F and in bracket T or T. T or T is a T. Now next F and T is again F and hence a truth value is F. Now the next second for the question number 3, if again P and Q are true, R and S are the false, determine the truth values of the following. Second one, that is a P and negation of R and negation of Q or S. Again the substitute the value of P, Q as a T and the R and S as the F. This is the T and negation of R means what? Negation of F and negation of Q, negation of T, okay, or S is again F. T and negation of F. Negation of F means again it is a T. T and T, we get the T here. Next, negation of T means what? F. F or F, it is a F. T and F, then we will get the F and hence truth value is F overall. Now the next one. Negation of P implies Q, double implication in bracket R and S. Okay. Now see this here. Again we will substitute P and Q are T, R and S are the F. Negation in bracket T implies T. Double implication R and S. R and S both are the FF. Okay. Now the T implies T. It is again T. And again we have the negation of T. Okay. हे T implies T काय झालं तर T झाला परंतु बाहेर काय आहे तर निगेशन आहे डबल इम्प्लिकेशन F and F is again F. Negation of T is F. Now the F double implication F, that is nothing but the T. Hence the truth value is capital T. Okay. Now the next fourth one. Negation of P implies Q and in bracket R double implication S. Again we will substitute here. P and Q are the T, R and S are the F. Okay, substitute as it is, it's a value. Negation of T implies T and F double implication F is equivalent to. Negation of T means what? F. F implies T. F double implication F, that is nothing but the T. Okay. Now F implies T, it is T and T, T and T, then we get T and hence the truth value is capital T. Okay. Now the next, write the negation of the following. Okay. Prices increases, prices does not increases, negations करायचे फक्त. 0 factorial is not equals to 1. 0 factorial is equals to 1. 5 plus 4, that is equals to 9. 5 plus 4 is not equals to 9. हे सर्व negation statement आपण तयार केले त्यामध्ये. Now let us start the exercise 1.1. Okay. Now the first question, state which of the following are statement justify. In case of statement states its a truth value. 5 plus 4, that is equals to 13. Solution, it is a statement which is a false and hence its a truth value is F. Okay. हे clear आहे मग. X minus 3 is equals to 14. It is an open sentence. आपल्याला एकशी particular value नाही दिलेली त्याने. Hence it is not a statement. Close the door. It is imperative sentence and hence it is not a statement. 0 is a complex number. Solution. It is a statement which is true and hence its a truth value is a capital T. Okay. Please get me breakfast. Okay. It is an imperative sentence, hence it is not a statement. Next. Congruent triangles are similar. Okay. It is a statement which is a true. Hence its a truth value is a capital T. Okay. Congruent triangles कसे असतात तर similar असतात. X square is equals to x. It is open sentence. Okay. आपल्याला इथे x च्या values नाही. We do not have given the values of x. Hence it is not a statement. Next, a quadratic equation cannot have more than two roots. Okay. It is a statement which is true. Hence its a truth value is capital T. Every quadratic equation has the two roots. Okay. Do you like mathematics? Solution. It is an interrogative sentence. Hence it is not a statement. Okay. प्रत्येकाला mathematics आवडेलच. And it is actually it is a interrogative. तो क्वेश्चन मार्क दिले जाते आणि प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य येते and hence it is not a statement. The sun sets in the west. It is a statement which is true and hence its a truth value is capital T. Next, all real numbers are whole numbers. It is a statement which is the false. All real numbers are not whole number. Whole number म्हणजे काय तर 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity. Okay. And hence its a truth value is a capital F. Can you speak in Marathi? Okay. It is an interrogative sentence. Hence it is not a statement. Okay. म्हणून ते काय statement होणार आणि प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य. Okay. Hence it is not a statement. X square minus 6x minus 7 is equals to 0. When x is equals to 7. If we substitute x is equals to 7, तर आपल्याला it is a statement which is just true. If we substitute, that is 49. Okay, you can see there 49 minus 6 into 7, which is the 42 minus 7, and overall you will get here 0. Therefore, it is a statement which is just true, and hence its a truth value is a T. The sum of cube roots of unity is 0. Yes, it is a statement which is true and hence its a truth value is capital T. It rains heavily. It is an open sentence. Hence it is not a statement. Okay. प्रत्येकाला heavy rain पडण्याची concept हा वेगळा असू शकतो and hence it is a open sentence. Hence it is not a statement. Now the next. Question number 2. Write the following compound statement symbolically. Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now the P. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Q. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is P and Q. Triangle is equilateral or the isosceles. Okay. Now P, the triangle is equilateral. Q, the triangle is isosceles. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is P or Q. Okay. The angle is a right angle if and only if it is measure of 90 degree. Now the P, the angle is a right angle. Q, it is a measure of 90 degree. Now we have the if and only if, and therefore then the symbolic form of the given statement is a P double implication Q. Okay. Next, angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Okay. Now the P is a acute angle, Q is a obtuse angle. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is, that is a negation of P and negation of Q. Okay. Angle is neither acute nor obtuse. इथे आपण काय केलंय तर and वापरलेलं आहे आणि दोघांना निगेशन घेतले त्यामध्ये. Next, if triangle is a right angle at B, then the measure of angle A plus measure of angle C, that's equals to 90. Okay. P म्हणजे काय की triangle is a right angle at B and Q means what? Measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equals to 90 degree. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is a P implies Q. Okay. Next, Himdas wins the gold medal if and only if she runs fast Okay, double implication असणार P. Himdas wins the gold medal. Q. C runs fast. Okay. Now then the symbolic form of the given statement is a P double implication Q here. Okay. काय पाहिजे? P double implication Q. Now the next. X is not rational number but is a square of an integer. Now first is P. X is not rational number. Q is it is a square of an integer. It is a square of an integer and therefore but आला इथे but आल्यानंतर आपण काय कन्सिडर करतो तर and करत असतो ते. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is a P and Q. Okay. Now the next. Write the truth values of the following. 4 is odd or 1 is a prime. Okay. मग P ला काय कन्सिडर करणार? P is a 4 is odd. Q 1 is a prime. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is P or Q. The truth values of P. 4 is odd and Q. Sorry. Here the symbolic form is a P or Q. But 4 is odd. It is F. Okay. 4 is not odd. It is a even number. And next what he say? 1 is prime. 1 is not prime. And against it is F. Therefore the truth value of P or Q is F because it will be the F or F. F or F means what? Both are false and then it is again it is F. Okay. Now the next. 64 is a perfect square and 46 is a prime number. Now 64 is a perfect square. It's true. 46 is not the prime number. Now see this here. P 64 is a perfect square. Q 46 is a prime number. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is P and Q. The truth values of P and Q are T and F respectively. And therefore, we have here the P is a T and this is the F. And that is equals to F overall. Okay. The final answer is a F. Now, next is a 5 is a prime number and 7 divides 94. Okay. 5 is prime number. Okay, it's a correct one. 7 divides 94. Then the symbolic form 5 is a prime number. Yes, it's a truth value is a correct one. म्हणजे आपल्याला इथे लिहिता येईल P and Q. Okay. Now P is a true, but 7 does not divides the 94 and hence its a truth value is F. Therefore T and F, then we will get the F. It's a truth value. Okay, then the symbolic form is P and Q and its a truth value is F. Next, it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. Okay, P 5 minus 3i is a real number. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is negation of P. The truth value of P is the truth values of P is F. Okay, 5 minus 3i is a real number. It is not the real number. It is a complex number. Therefore, the truth value of P is a F. But we require it's a negation. That's a negation पाहिजे. It means that the negation of F किती मिळेल आपल्याला 30 मिळेल. And hence the truth value of negation of P is a T. Okay. Now the next. If 3 into 5 is 8, then 3 plus 5 is 15. Okay. Both are the F and F. Okay. आता पहिलं बघा P 3 into 5 is equals to 8. Q 3 plus 5 is 15. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is a P implies Q. The truth values of P and Q are the F. याची truth value F आहे, याची देखील F आहे. The truth value of P implies Q is a T because F implies, see this here, F implies F. Then it is a true. Okay, it is equals to the true. Next, milk is white if and only if sky is a blue. Okay, P, the milk is white. Okay, sky is a blue. Okay, then the both are the true. If and only if आहे त्यामध्ये, therefore it is a double implication. In double implication, when the both are the true, then the final answer, that is it is equivalent to true. Both are the same, then it is a true. Okay, therefore the truth value of P double implication Q is a T. Okay, next, 24 is a composite number or 15 is a prime number. Yes, 24 a composite number है, its a truth value is a T. Or I 17 is a prime number. T or T, we get again T मिळेल आपल्याला. P म्हणजे 24 is a composite number. Q 17 is a prime number. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is a P or Q. The truth values of P and Q are T, and therefore the truth value of P or Q is a T. P or T, and that is T. Okay. और मध्ये काय की दोघांपैकी एक जरी ट्रू असलं तरी ट्रू, इथे तर दोन्ही ट्रू आहे, therefore it is a true. Next, question number 4. If the statement PQ are true, RS are false statement, then determine the truth values of the following. P or in bracket Q and R. The truth values of P and Q are T, and truth values of R and S are F. Now see this here, P or in bracket Q and R is equals to P is a T, or in bracket Q is a T, R that is a F. T and F. T and F is F. T or F, then we get again the T. Hence it's a truth value is a T. Hence the truth value of the given statement is a true. Second one, again P and Q are true, R and S are the false. Now see this, P implies Q in bracket complete, or R implies S is equivalent to T implies T. T implies T किती मिळणार तर T मिळणार. R implies S. F implies F. Both are the same. Implication असेल तर true. T or T. T or T is again the T. Hence the truth value of the given statement is true. Next, fourth one, that is the third one. Again P and R, or negation of P and S. Okay. Now substitute the value of Q, R, P, S. Q is a T and R is F, or in bracket negation of P, that is a negation of T and F. Okay, T and F, then it is F, or negation of T, it is a F and F. F and F is F. F or F, then again we will get the F. Hence the truth value of the given statement is the false. Okay, easy, eh? Next, question number 4. If the statement P and Q are the true, R and S are the false. Now we'll substitute the values. P implies Q and negation of R is equivalent to P and Q काय तर true आहे. T implies T. मध्ये and आहे. Negation of R means what? Negation of F. Negation of F म्हणजे काय तर true आला. T and T is a T, and hence the truth value of the given statement is a true. Okay. Now the fifth one. Negation of R, double implication P implies negation of Q. Okay. Now we will substitute the value. Negation of R means what? F. Double implication P means what? T implies negation of Q means what? Negation of T. Now here negation of F is T. T double implication T is again T. Negation of T is F. T implies F. Overall you will get F here. Now the sixth one. Negation of P and in bracket negation of Q. I will repeat here. Negation of P and in bracket negation of Q and R bracket complete, or in bracket Q and R, or in bracket Q, P and R. Now substitute their truth values. Okay, P is a T. Okay, therefore negation of T, and Q is again T and R is F. Okay, bracket complete, or again Q is a T and R is a F, bracket complete, or P is a T and R is a F. Negation of T, that is F, and negation of T is F, F and F. then you will get here F and F is F. Okay, F and F overall you will get again the F. What about here? T and F is again the F. T and F is again F here. See this here. F or F, we get the again the F. F and F, F. F or F, we get the F. And overall, the truth value of the given statement is the false. Now the next one. In bracket, negation of P and Q and negation of R, or in bracket Q implies R implies negation of S or R. Okay. Now we substitute their values. Negation of T and in bracket negation of T and negation of R. R means what? F or next Q implies P, that is a T implies T, and negation of S means what? Negation of F, or R is again the F. Now negation of T is a F, F and T, then you will get again here F, next and T. Okay, or T implies T or F, T or F is again T, T implies T, then you will get T. Okay, F and T, you will get F, F or T, you will get T. Okay, and hence the truth value of the statement is true overall. Next, negation in bracket, negation of P and R, or in bracket S implies negation of Q, bracket complete double implication P and R. Now the negation in bracket, negation of T and R is F, bracket complete, or S is F implies negation of Q, means what? Negation of T, double implication, P is a T, and this is the R. What is that R? R is, we have the F. Okay, now we'll solve this. F, T and F, that is F. Next, again this negation. Negation of T is F, F and F. We'll get again the F here. See this here, or. Okay. F implies negation of T. Negation of T is F. F implies F. It is true. Okay. Now what is next? This is the F or T. F or T, that is a T. Negation of T is again F. F double implication F, that is a true. If both are the same, then it is a true, and hence the truth value of the given statement is a true. Now the question number 5. Write the negation of the following. Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. The negation of the given statement is Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next, 3 is not. Okay. Again, I will repeat the first negation of the given statement is the Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. Now, second word, 3 is not a root of the equation x square plus 3x minus 18, that's equals to 0. Okay. The negation of the given statement is 3 is a root of the given equation x square plus 3x minus 18, that's equals to 0. Okay. Not IVG upon direct 3 is linear. Now the next is a root 2 is a rational number. Negation of the given statement is root 2 is not a rational number. Next is the polygon ABCD is a pentagon. The negation of the given statement is polygon ABCD is not a pentagon. Okay. 7 plus 3 is greater than 5. The negation of the given statement is, okay, 7 plus 3, right here, 7 plus 3 is not greater than 5. This is the negation. Okay. And in this way, we have completed the first exercise from the logic. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.